Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I've been getting a lot of response, a lot of questions after my OMVIC video that I posted. Everyone's asking me a lot of questions, so I decided to make this video for you guys to make it easier for you. So basically this is going to be like a step-by-step guide on how to register for the OMVIC and how you can study for it and how you can give your exam, and I'll show you guys where you can go to give your exam as well. What you want to start with is get a laptop, go on the OMVIC website, which I'm going to show you right now. So this is step number one. You want to go to the OMVIC website, which we're going to search over here. It's going to be omvic.ca, and this is the screen right here, OMVIC. You want to press register, and then here is all your steps right here. Registering with OMVIC, who is required to register. So these are all the salesperson, dealers, exemptions, all that stuff. Getting registered as a salesperson, you have to do the application form. Click on that. Complete the individual sales application form on our online service portal. So you click that. But before you do that, you have to read the bottom part, what you can expect. So it is a $335 processing fee. You will be asked to provide a clear copy of photo ID, so have your passports or driver's license ready. Eligibility to work in Canada, Canadian birth certificate, Canadian citizenship card, permanent resident card, landed immigrant papers, so all that stuff. Application must be completed online. So then you click on the go to application portal, and here you have yourself a welcome screen. Welcome to your self-serve registration portal. Manage your profile, start and manage applications, view invoices, and more. If this is your first time using this portal, select online account setup to register for an online account, which is going to be this one. If you already have an account for this portal, select sign in to access online services. Now, I already have an account with OMVIC, so I am going to show you guys what happens if you click this online account setup, and this is what it is. So don't worry about the registration number. That is for the salespeople and everyone that already have the OMVIC. What you're gonna want to do is fill out your email address, fill out your first name, last name, and your date of birth, and then you're gonna hit submit. So let me just do that. Once you do that, this is going to be the next screen. Update information, contact information, middle name. You can put your middle name if you have. Add my phone number, alternate phone, and North American. Nope. And then you click submit at the bottom. Oh, then you gotta fill out the side stuff as well. So that is the home address and everything. I'm gonna fill that out. And once you have everything filled out, you hit submit. It's gonna be processing. You gotta wait a little bit for it to process. And then update information. So an invitation email has been sent to the email you provided. Please click the link in the email to finalize your access to our portal. In the meantime, please provide some additional details below to complete your profile. Alright, there's nothing else here. So now you are registered on their website. They're going to send you an email that you have provided to them. Alright guys, so once you sign up online, this is the email you're going to receive. Thank you for contacting the OMVIC project office at Georgian College. If you are looking for more information about the OMVIC Automotive Certification course or the MBDA Key Elements course, please visit the OMVIC website. If you would like to register for the OMVIC Automotive Certification course, please complete the registration form. So we're gonna do that. Click on that. It's gonna take you to this screen here, and this is the certification course that you have to fill out basically. Please print your name exactly as it appears on your driver's license. So fill this information out as accurate as possible, and you have to go through all this. and then afterwards you have to do $275 domestic student. You have to pay the fee, put in your credit card, sign it here and everything, date it. So that's the form that you have to fill out. And then at the top it says send completed form by fax to this number or by email to this email. All right, so once you have that filled out, make sure you send it out to that email. Here's mine, and then you're gonna get the confirmation email right here, and you're gonna get the receipt for the payment that you just made. And then this is the next email you receive, you know, just showing your interest. They're just thanking you, telling you guys what you have, OMVIC test, all the information that you need is going to be in this email, so please refer to this. And then this is the confirmation of registration. So this is what it is next. And then what you get in the mail is, so in the mail you're gonna get this paper right here, which is a certification course that tells you all the information that you need, and it says see reverse page for in-person testing locations. So on the orange page, when you turn it over, these are all the locations you can do the test at. You can probably do it online as well, but I prefer doing it in person, and that is all the locations. So once you get the paper, make sure you find the location nearest to you and go there. And this is just a confirmation of registration for the course. And then the third thing you receive is obviously the student manual. So this book is what you have to study from. So this includes everything, all the chapters, all the questions. So this is what it is. So let's just take one chapter for example. Let's say chapter 6. I think that's the smallest one as well. So what you want to do is you want to read all the chapter throughout, make some notes that you want, and then you have the test yourself test at the end. So as you can see, there's some true and false answers, there's some questions, more multiple choice, true and false. So you want to make sure you go through all these questions in all the chapters, because in the exam the questions are very similar to the questions at the end of the chapters. So make sure you guys study this fully. If you want to pass the test, you have to read all the chapters and you have to do all the test questions at the end, and then you're going to be all set for the exam. So once you study for the exam, now you want to book your appointment to give the test. This is where I booked it, North York, and that was the one closest to my house. That's the one I booked at. They give you a confirmation email right here. And then once you've done your exam, you have about, I think, 7 or 10 days that they take to send your test results. And this is the email you should be receiving. So as you can see, congratulations on completing your course, and I passed with a grade of 92%. The minimum required grade is 60% or greater. So that's basically it. And then you have an option of signing up as an OMVIC salesperson or an OMVIC dealer. But I think salesperson is what you want to do first, get some experience, and then figure out what you want to do next. So hopefully this step-by-step guide has helped you guys, and if it has, drop a like at the bottom and support the channel. Drop a comment if it helped you. And yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video to showcase what it is step by step, because I was getting a lot of questions. I did answer a lot of questions on my last video that I posted where I showed you guys the test results, but I wanted to make a collective video as well, and that is in one place and you have all your answers here. So hopefully this will help you guys, and good luck with your exams. Peace.